Hey, I'm Fish on version 103.02.10. This is version 103.0330 Grayware, officially released to all going through your profile and about. It's not an official firmware yet. And if you think it's going to fix all the issues that you are asking DJI, not at all, buddy. Not at all. DJI must put in there bugs and issues and minor bugs and issues fixed. There are no more minor bugs and issues in the firmware that we got. So what did they find? No one knows. But the main thing they did for you was try to tweak the HDR. And that's all they did. And they called it vivid. And they gave you a natural, which they put a regular name to one of the H-log profiles. And because of all these smartphones out there on the market, they added a couple in. I'm not going to say buyer beware or be warned. I'm going to say be aware that I'm not loading this firmware. It basically got nothing in there that I want. How many times do you have to ask DJI, if you're going to load grayware, put the reversion of the official. So if you don't like it, change back. All I see is people saying, oh, it did nothing. I'm going back to my Action 4. It's a beta camera. Oh, the Action 5 is a beta camera and the Action 6 is going to be the official. I'm not going to buy no more. And you get some that don't even have the camera, they gotta complain. Well, I'm happy I got the camera, that I'm using the camera, that it does a nice job in low light. What I'm saying is what everybody else out there is saying, what they like and dislike about the camera. I just put it forward in the video to share it to the world. Is there anything I hate about the camera? There are. And I'm not gonna get sick over it. And I want RTTP live stream. I don't like that live stream. The live stream doesn't communicate to social media. But that's the way DJI has been always. You've never been to a doctor's office, and you've never been in the examining room, and when the nurse interrupts, the doctor says, oh, the sponsor's here. He's got the medicine, a new one. That's what's happening here. So here I am. I did some video yesterday with the camera, and I had some, I guess, lighting adjustments on and off slowly. You'll see it. And I did a time lapse, and I did a light school video about recessed lights. How I got it hooked up to a Aeon 320 power station to a 200-watt solar panel on the roof. Got everything up, hooked it up nicely, job well done. And I gotta go to another room and hook it up to the actual 110 VAC and switch. Change over fluorescence. Are fluorescence more consumption and power over 4 LED recessed lights? I think they are. And after I finished everything, my power station was 100% fully charged. I got under 3 hours of use and over 2 hours of use. I was like at 3 LED blink lights, and that was like 30%. So to me, that'd be just about 3 hours of use of the power station. More than I need to do what I need to do down there with the lights on. The power station said 260 MWA, I believe, WH. And that was like saying, how many milliamps is it in battery? Does it have 18650s? I thought I read 4,000 milliamps. I guess if I'm real curious, I could open up and take a look myself, see how many batteries are in there, if it's lithium or 18650s. And what I can do is build my own 18650 on a different power station and have it charge through there. And that'll give me endless power of time. But you know what? I got a backup, so if I ever need to just unplug it, plug in the other one, I got 6 hours of runtime. Well, I gotta get some outdoor activities reviews done, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna get up 13 feet. I'll figure that one out. I got wood. I got a patio block, and I believe I got loxins, but do I have bolts? And yeah, that's all I need to do. Lay it down, show you how to get it up, and off I go. No cementing involved, unless you want to dig a hole and lay down 2.5 feet of cement by 3 feet deep. Yes, indeed. And stay there, watch it dry, and make sure that little cross stays leveled all the time. Will that light ever get fixed? It'll be that way until somebody reports it. Would you like to say, hey, fix the light? Sure. That's where I could come up here and put the 13-foot pole. Whatever light you got, you could put up there, man. Let me tell you, I don't trust a real heavy light on there. Well, at least it's not frigid. It did snow, just on the dusting of a car or two. Weather.
It's currently cloudy and 24 degrees.
Oh yeah, man, it's been like 24 degrees every single time I come out. Isn't that wonderful? Wonderful it is. Well, I said what I had to say what I had to say, and it shows some. So you know who I was and am and is and all that good stuff. I'm Fish. I'm getting out of the yellow brick road. We're having chicken with spice on the barbie and cooking nice and comfy. And I'm shooting with the K&F filter. And as it flames up, it should give a nice soft glow. And over here we got some wood going. So the wood is burning. Gives some flavor. There we go. Now you want to see the wood nice and close up in the flame? Here we go. I'm about 1 inch, 2 inches from it. Woo, baby, the smoke is going. That's what you want on the barbecue. You want this thing to smoke so the chicken gets cooked. I got enough chicken. Oh man, look, I got a cricket. Grasshopper. Difference between the grasshopper and the cricket, man, is a different size altogether. Look how big and colorful he is. How does that look? Does that look awesome, man? He looks real big. Imagine you could zoom in on him and get that sky real big. Yeah. So we got the flame going. The barbie cooking. Oh yeah, constantly, rotating the chicken. I don't get that zapper light. Days it comes on, days it don't. It's all lit up. Bug Zapper's gonna get the fly. Well, I'm done cooking and I'm done showing. I got a little bit more, another 5 minutes, and we'll get on out of here. And on that note, don't be a chicken. Don't be a coward. Don't be afraid. Load that software up and have fun using it. Don't listen to what other people tell you. Just have fun with your camera. I'm Fish. I'll catch you later.